Hi folks, it's Dr. Christine here again with the AI Wellness Universe, and today I want to show you the walkthrough through the file vault, or as we call it, file management star. So find it here on the left side. Again, you go down, support business administration, CRM, file management star, that's where you find it. And here you find all the text, all the images that you did in the last while since you created this account. For example, here's some that I did with the LinkedIn file folders in last time. So I hope that helps, and you can go back and forth and look what you did with the affirmation wizard, and it shows you everything that you did, especially the images of files. Hope that helps. There's more Bible quote images, motion makers, there's more. And so each app has its own folder. So go ahead and try it out and let us know how you like it. Bye-bye.